Unlock every ounce of deliciousness from your Costco Rotisserie Chicken with this super efficient deboning guide. First, let your chicken rest for about 10-15 minutes after you bring it home. This helps the juices redistribute, making the meat more tender and easier to work with then. Place it on a clean cutting board. We'll start with the legs. Gently pull one leg away from the carcass. You'll feel a natural seam. Where the thigh bone meets the hip joint, use your knife to carefully slice along this seam, separating the leg and thigh from the main body. Once you have the leg and thigh removed, find the knob where the thigh bone meets the drumstick bone. Twist the thigh and drumstick. The bones should separate easily now. Locate the thigh bone and slide your knife along it to release the meat. Do the same for the drumstick bone, skillfully separating it from the tender meat. Next, tackle the breast. You'll see a prominent breastbone running down the center. Make a deep cut along one side of the breastbone. From the neck end down towards the thigh, keep your knife close to the bone to maximize meat yield. Carefully work your knife along the rib cage, scraping the meat away from the bone. You want to peel the breast meat off in one large piece. If possible, repeat this entire process on the other side of the breast. Now you're left with a deboned carcass, perfect for making stock, and beautifully separated dark and white meat. Ready for your favorite salads, sandwiches, or casseroles. Enjoy every bit.